Did you know frogs can be of different colors and patterns? Yes, that's right. Frogs are fascinating creatures, each unique in their own way. Some have vibrant colors that mesmerize, while others sport interesting patterns that can captivate anyone's attention. But that's not all. When it comes to movement, they have this one-of-a-kind hopping style that's truly a sight to behold. And let's not forget their croaking sounds, which fill the air with a melody only they can create. Sounds interesting, right? So hop on as we leap into the life of a frog. Our froggy journey begins with a teeny tiny egg laid by a mommy frog in the water. This egg is not like the eggs you'd find in a chicken coop. Oh no, it's a squishy jelly-like sphere, harboring a speck of life. Soon, this life blossoms into a tadpole. Picture a tiny fish with a big head and a long tail. This tadpole is quite the water baby, breathing through gills just like a fish. It swims around, growing stronger and bigger each day. As days turn into weeks, a miraculous transformation takes place. The tadpole starts to grow tiny legs, while its tail begins to shrink. It's not just the outside that's changing. Within, the tadpole is developing lungs to breathe air, preparing for its life on land. Gradually, our tadpole evolves into a froglet, a miniature version of an adult frog, but with a tiny tail still trailing behind. And then, one glorious day, the tail disappears. And voila, our tadpole is now a hopping, croaking frog. Now that our tadpole turned into a frog, what happens next? Let's find out. Imagine waking up as a frog on a bright, dewy morning. The first thing you'd do is stretch those powerful legs of yours, legs that can help you leap over 20 times your own body length. That's like a human jumping over a 30-story building. Pretty impressive, right? After a good stretch, it's time for breakfast. But wait, you're not pouring cereal into a bowl. No, as a frog, you're an insectivore, which means you feast on insects. Your meal might include a scrumptious buffet of flies, mosquitoes, and spiders. And how do you catch these critters? With your super sticky tongue, of course. It's not only long, but it's also incredibly fast, making it the perfect tool for catching your breakfast on the fly. But life as a frog isn't all leaps and lunches. There are predators to watch out for too. Birds, snakes, even other larger frogs might fancy you for a snack. So, staying alert and using your amazing camouflage skills to blend into your surroundings is key to survival. And when the sun sets, you use your unique croaking sound to communicate with other frogs and maybe find a mate. Each frog's croak is distinctive, sort of like our voices. So that's a day in the life of our green friend, but wait, there's more. Did you know there are over 5,000 species of frogs worldwide? That's a lot of hopping friends. Let's meet a few of them. First off, meet the poison dart frog. Small but mighty, these brightly colored little guys are found in Central and South America. But beware, their vibrant colors are a warning sign their skin secretes a powerful poison. Next, let's hop over to the glass frog. You won't believe this, but their skin is semi-transparent. Yes, you heard right. You can actually see their internal organs. Now that's a unique way to show your insides on the outside. Finally, let's swing by the treetops to meet the tree frog. They have special sticky pads on their feet that help them climb trees. They can be found all over the world in all sorts of colors and patterns. So many frogs, so many colors, so many patterns. Isn't the world of frogs just fascinating? Before we say goodbye, here's a fun rhyme about our froggy friends. In the world so wide, with colors so bright, lives a creature that hops from morning till night. From tiny egg to tadpole, a transformation unfolds. It's the life of a frog, a story to be told. They munch on bugs and swim in the pond. Their life is an adventure, of which we're all fond. From tree frogs to bullfrogs, species galore, each with a croak we simply can't ignore. They leap, they dive, in the water they thrive. With every hop, it's like they come alive. Their skin so diverse, with patterns so neat, every frog is unique, and that's quite a feat. Whether day or night, they're a wonderful sight. With a ribbit here and a ribbit there, they fill the air with delight. And that's the end of our froggy tale. Remember, every hop tells a story.